Welcome to the Inventor 2017 Parametric Projects course, from Render. This course will cover the techniques and tools of Inventor 2017 for the realization of parametric projects, for you who already know the Inventor and want to improve yourself. In this first class we will present the Inventor 2017 Parametric Projects course, where we will see in general the topics to be learned. Come on, let's go. The course is organized into 5 modules, which are composed of lessons, practical examples, and complementary exercises. In the classes are explained the commands and tools, their ways of use and concepts, step by step. In the practical examples are applied the commands and tools already studied in the module, in a real situation, training its use. In the complementary exercises, tasks are proposed for the student to do and train, revising the learning. In the first module will be presented the concepts of parameterizations in Autodesk Inventor 2017. We will understand the parameterization process, learn how to create basic parameterizations in the design of parts and review assembly concepts. In Module 2 we will learn how to insert, visualize and edit parameters in the development of sketch and 3D operations. We will also learn how to create parameters using Excel, how to import them into Inventor, and how to import parameters from other parts into the model. In Module 3 we will learn how to parameterize the assembly relations. We'll look at how to work with parameters to create a relationship between parts and assemblies. We will also see how to insert assembly constraints still in the part creation environment, optimizing the assembly step and standardizing the form of assembly of the part. In Module 4 we will see how to add parameter rules and understand their application. We will also see how to add numeric parameters directly to the parameter table. Finally, in Module 5 we will consolidate our knowledge, conducting case studies that will review the concepts learned during the course and the application of the tools. We will do this through practical examples, where we will perform the parameterization of some parts and assemblies, with different applications. After completing this course, the student will be able to develop projects for various applications, in a professional way. We wish you an excellent learning. Render, who knows, teaches.